Hey everybody, it's Morgan here at McDonald Mazda South in lovely Littleton, Colorado, your Mazda Evolution store. Now, let's say you go out and you get yourself a brand new Mazda. Obviously, you want to have the support that just about a 100-year-old company like Mazda can provide. So I'm going to show you my Mazda and how it can be of use to you in your daily life, in your everyday life. Mazda has created a brand new system to take care of brand new owners. So mymazda.com is our website. You can register as an owner and it will open up a whole series of toys for you to use with your new Mazda. The process is very easy. Visit mymazda.com, click on Join My Mazda, and this will open up a small form asking simply for name, basic contact information, and of course a password. And once you have logged in and made your account, it will track all of the history of servicing that you ever get with your car, which can come in really handy later on if you ever decide to trade it in. But even if you don't want to, guess what? You got owner resources here, vehicle demos and guides, manuals and references, frequently asked questions, of course GPS navigation updates for your navigation SD card, questions for Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio. Of course, we have a mobile app, which I'm going to get to in a second, and of course, any known recalls, all of which are at your fingertips. Now, our vehicle demos and guides, let's say you've gone out, you've gotten one of the brand new 2019 CX-5s. You can go to this website or sub-web page, and it will open up about 30 different videos about your car and how to use it. Simple, easy to view, 1 to 2 minutes long. Say you got a question about your power liftgate. Is it adjustable? How do I open it? Can I use the key? Can I not use the key? All of that's available online. Now here's the best part. Let's say you're traveling the country and you don't have access to a computer or a laptop, but you certainly have access to your cell phone. You can download the My Mazda app. Get a zoom in on that icon. I'm going to activate mine. And with a few clicks of my button, I'm going to log in real quick. And this is going to give you access to a lot of the same material, if not all the same material. We set this down here. So for instance, your home screen, your vehicle guides, how-to videos, owner's manual, smart start guide, which is like quick reference instructions. Maybe you want to get access to your service records or quick reference for support. So contact Mazda directly, or my personal favorite, roadside assistance. Anywhere in the country, including Alaska, Hawaii, and Canada, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you need a tire changed, if you lock your keys in the car, all the classic AAA things that you might need to, or you might run into thanks to Mother Nature or other elements. Hey, this is all at your disposal, and it's designed to make to increase the pleasure behind driving your Mazda, so you feel secure wherever you are, anywhere in this great nation. But once again, it's Morgan, McDonald Mazda, where doing right comes naturally.